biomolecules comprises of proteins, fats, carbohydrates, nucleic acids, and enzymes. We start first with proteins. Proteins can be defined as polymers of amino acids. So these amino acids can be called as building blocks of proteins. So the monomeric subunits to constitute a protein. Proteins can be subdivided under three distinct categories. Number one, simple protein such as albumin, globulin, etc. may be conjugated, means proteins with non-protein parts such as phosphoprotein, such as glycoprotein. Obviously, we can say phosphoprotein contains phosphate with proteins, glycoprotein contains glucose with protein or glycogen with protein. The last category goes with derived. These include the proteins that are obtained during the hydrolysis of proteins, which includes peptones, which includes proteins, etc. Whenever the proteins are compared, they have got certain fundamental unique properties, mostly water soluble, usually possess amphoteric properties. That means both acidic and basic properties. Whenever the proteins are hydrolyzed, they seem to possess lot of amino acids connected to each other with the peptide bonds, and they include a amine and an acid. So the amine contains basic and this acid part contains acid. So as they are carrying both acidic and basic, both characters, so it is amphoteric in nature. Whenever the amino acids are classified, the amino acids may also be chemically said as acidic amino acid, such as you can say monoamine dicarboxylic amino acid. So it is dicarboxyl, it implies more acidic group, so it is acidic. If it is basic amino acid, then it should be diamine monocarboxylic. So more you are getting amine group, the nature of the amino acid should be basic. And on the other hand, if it is neutral, then if you say neutral, then one can definitely say neutral means the acid and the basic groups must be same. Monoamine, monocarboxylic amino acids. So whenever you say monoamine and monocarboxylic, the amine and the carboxylic both are equal, so they must be neutral in status. whenever you are getting the name sugar, sugars or carbohydrates, they include the term monosaccharide, they include the term oligosaccharide, they include the term polysaccharide. Whenever we are going for his further classification, monosaccharides are represented as unit sugar. And based on the unit sugar, it should be represented as CnH2nOn, where N is equal to any sugar. If it be N is equal to 5, then it should be C5H10O5. If it is 6, then it should be C6H12O6, something like that. Coming to the oligosaccharides, whenever you are saying oligosaccharides contains 2 to 5 monosaccharides. If it contains 2 monosaccharides, then it should be disaccharide. If it contains 3 monosaccharides, it should be trisaccharide. If it contains 4 monosaccharides, it will be tetrasaccharide. If it contains 5 monosaccharides, it should be pentasaccharide. Some of them are very important with their examples. So disaccharide goes to lactose, because on hydrolysis it gives 2 monosaccharides. Trisaccharide goes to raffinose, because on hydrolysis it gives 3 monosaccharides. Tetrasaccharide goes to stachyose, which on hydrolysis gives 4 individual monosaccharides, and the pentasaccharide goes to barbascose, which on hydrolysis gives 5 monosaccharides. Thank you. For testing your understanding of this lesson and more videos, log on to www.tubelessons.net.